guys, welcome back to my channel Fun with Lamina. So today we're going to make cold coffee and the ingredients are simple. You need sugar, you need milk, you need a mixer, not the a blender mixer. Then we need coffee and a spoon. Now to get started, we will use milk and we will pour it. And then after milk, we will use 1 tablespoon of coffee. Then we will take 2 tablespoons full of sugar. After sugar, we're gonna mix it. So we have made a homemade bubbly cold coffee. Now I'm gonna pour it. And if the sugar is left out over here, you can just punch it from the behind like this. And that's how it came. So this is a simple way to make cold coffee at home. I hope you like the video and goodbye.